Hi, welcome to another review by refrigerator-reviews-ratings.com. This is a review of the KitchenAid KSF26C4XYY refrigerator. All the information is summarized here for you up top in the 5 color-coded boxes, but we'll go through more of the specifics here below. The price level of this fridge is $80 per cubic foot. It's about average. It gets our good rating. The features of this refrigerator, there's 14 of those key items. We'll go through those below and it gets our better rating. Energy usage is a good or yellow, and it gets 514 kilowatt hours annually, and that's around average or typical. The water and ice features has 4 of those key items, gets our best rating. We'll go through those below. The warranty of the fridge is a 10-year part, 5-year labor for the sealed refrigeration system. It's a limited warranty, and it is one of the best available manufacturer limited warranties on the market. Going into the general ratings, it is $2,099 for the manufacturer's suggested retail price. It is Energy Star qualified, it is available, and it does have a special Sabbath mode feature if that's something you're looking for. Size and style ratings, it is 26.4 cubic foot space. It's about 17% larger than the average refrigerator, with an additional 3.8 cubic feet of space over the average new fridge. It is 16.4 cubic feet of space for fresh, 10 cubic feet for freezer. It is available in stainless steel, and it does have your LED lighting. Water and ice features, it has an ice maker included, external water and ice dispenser, and a water filter as well. Fresh food ratings, it has humidity control for the crisper, gives you some flexibility in preserving freshness. You can select the humidity level for vegetables or fruits or whatever you'd like to keep in there. In the convenience ratings, it does have gallon door bins, your glass shelves, it has automatic defrost. In the control ratings, it has electronic temperature control and a digital temperature display as well. We do have over 1,800 other refrigerators on the website. If you go to our homepage, refrigerator-reviews-ratings.com, you'll find some of the best values on the market summarized for you. Also, you can search on the left-hand side by type, by color, by brand, by size, by price, and also for discontinued models. Thank you so much for taking a look at this review. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those for us. Thank you so much.